What it do, Willie do? What do you got, a fancy juice over there? Looks tasty though, man. It looks good. We need you down here. We got a big TV apparently, otherwise known as Wallpaper. It is that time that we will change the landscape of TVs forever. Because today, Willie do, this is the signature, the WTV. OLED from LG. Wallpaper. You ever heard about wallpaper before? You plastered on the wall. You stuck it there instead of painting. But you see, that kind of wallpaper just wouldn't be suitable for an environment like this, for a bunch of tech savages like us. So what do you say, Willie do? Do we crack into this box or what? Do we check this thing out or what? Do we hang it on the wall or what? Let's go. Okay. Oh, that's the TV right there. Oh man, that's slim. Oh man. Excuse me? It has been done. The Wallpaper TV lives. Look at this beautiful setup over here as it blends in with the picture frames. And in fact, it's far thinner than any of those images we have on the wall. And of course, far more vibrant as well. This thing is thin. It is crazy thin. Let me show you the side of it here. That pen is what? Twice as thick as the TV? It's honestly kind of bizarre at first when you look at this thing. And certainly when you pick it up as well. It's like it's actually flexible to a certain degree. And because of that, the important components are housed in this unit right here, this speaker unit. So not only do you end up with better sound than what you would traditionally have on a flat panel TV, but all your HDMIs, USBs, and so on are housed in here. And then a single cable connects the two of them. Video signal and power will travel through this flat cable right here.
And beyond.
So it is a 4K panel. Of course, it's OLED from LG. That's kind of their thing. Now, I've been using their products for a while. You've probably heard me speak about OLED. It has attributes unlike any other TV tech. I mean, the dark blacks, right? The bright whites, the contrast, the saturated colors, basically kind of attached itself magnetically. Me and Will do, we just kind of like lined it up and it was like, boom. And of course, it's a smart TV as well. So you got everything built in, YouTube, that's what we're watching this on right now. These are firing upwards. That's why those speaker grills look the way they do. It's bouncing off the surface there. It's got a real virtual surround sound effect. This thing here is more optimized for that virtual surround kind of scenario. Now, ain't that some NASA footage? Tell you what. Holy! Look at that! Oh my, what is that, the sun? Solar flares? Can you, Jack? The vibrance. Look at the difference between the black and the bright spot. That's completely pitch black comparatively. Pixel for pixel. Does an image get better than that? I mean, where do we go from here? Are we just transplanted there? That would be too much work. I think this TV costs around $27 a year to run. And I'm in Austria right now. Where are you? Huh? You're not in Austria. Jack's obviously not in Austria. He doesn't even know where that is. All right, guys, so what can I say? It's a TV. that's thinner than a pen. It's about as thin as I can imagine a TV being. If you haven't looked at an OLED panel before, your eyes will be impressed. I guarantee it. Just do it if you don't believe me. There's no stand for it at all. It's got to be slapped on the wall. But then again, with a name like Wallpaper and a design this thin, what would you be doing putting it on a stand anyway? Huge shout out to LG for hooking this up, because take a look at the space now. It's finally coming together. This place has been a disaster. And then we got this, and it was like, hey, let's wrap it up. So now, this entire space, look at it. Place to hang out, get a massage, travel to some other planet, or Austria. It's all happening here now.